Hey, what's up you guys? It is me, Tiffany, back with another video for you guys today. I'm in my room. Don't mind it. It's a little messy and it's a little dark because I have really dark purple walls. And, you know, I tried to clean up as best as possible, but obviously you can see some covers over there. But it's whatever. I will have a recording area very soon. Very, very soon for you guys. So that'll be fun. So I was debating between having a story time today or doing an unboxing. I decided on the unboxing, but here's why. Because I cannot wait to unbox this, so I need to get it over with before I do the story time. So you might have 2 videos this week just because I'm that excited. So, yeah. So, as you guys know, I am a fan of Jeffree Star. So, he put out some mystery boxes over over the past weekend, I think. But this is what it looks like. It's like in a cute little red packaging. So when you open it up, oops. Oh wait. Gotta cover up my thing. When you open up, it's a little pink tissue paper inside. So I'm just gonna open it up real quick, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's a pop socket. And you know, I used to have this thing where the cat just walked in the room and opened the door. Rude. Oh. Let's go to, we got 4 lipsticks. 3 are liquid lips and 1 is a lip ammunition. The first one I'm seeing is Jeffree Who, and it's in a white box, so I think this is one of the sparkly, if I'm right. And I was right. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. Let me just swatch this one. Oh wait, it says shake before you use it. So we're gonna do that because sometimes I forget. And we're just gonna swatch it on my hand. Ooh, this looks like a really pretty color and I would wear it definitely. Did you guys see that? My cat just jumped into the door, attacking it while I'm doing this video. Rude. Anyways, okay, so this is the color. Very pretty. I wish it would stop focusing on my face. Thank you. There we go. It focused. Yay. Very pretty red. Now it doesn't want to focus on my face. Fun. So it's a very pretty red, very wearable, I would say. Well, maybe for me, maybe not for like someone that's very ordinary and doesn't want to wear reds, but for me, color I would definitely 10 out of 10 wear.
And that's just how it is.
I don't like it. Get out of here. Oh my goodness. So we have another one, and it is Scandal, and it's another white packaging. So this one's gonna be a little sparkly too. It looks like a purple pink kind of color. Let's shake it up real quick. But funny thing is, on the like packaging, it looks like a little bit darker than what it looks like in the bottle, so we'll see. I'm gonna swatch this one too. It's right underneath. That is very pretty. It's a very pretty color. I like it. I like Jeffree Star products. This is probably a biased review just because I love Jeffree Star. An iconic queen, but also a very big aspiration of mine is to be like Jeffree Star. Well, like to like be in like the beauty community, be a beauty guru, as they say, and just like, man, if I can meet Jeffree Star, that would be great. But it probably won't ever happen. I know I can wish, but I just don't think it's gonna happen. But next we have the color Diva, and it's like a hot pink. I'm a little scared. I don't usually wear pink lipsticks. I probably should because it would complement my skin tone and eye color, but I don't. For what reason? I just don't like pink that much. I like baby pink, and it just wouldn't look good on me, and I try to stray away from it. Especially hot pink is not my thing. It looks like this in the package bottle thing. This is just like a classic Jeffree Star packaging, except it's like a lighter pink, which makes sense because this pink is like the color of like his like original bottles. All Oh, I forgot to shake it. Okay, sorry guys. I'm obviously not a professional. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna swatch that right underneath. Ooh, and let me tell you, that is pink. Wow. Probably won't wear that as much often. You can see it. It's this one. But it is very pretty. I'm not knocking it. I just probably won't wear it as much. It's just not me, you know. Next we have this lip ammunition, and it is called Popsicle Dream. It's like a light purple, so I feel like I got like a very Valentine's Day kind of package, because there's pinks and purples and there's mint green, and that's kind of like Valentine's Day color. So kudos to him for like doing like the like whole kind of scheme. I don't know if he was trying to do the scheme, but like, you know, it makes sense. And it looks like a little bullet. It's very cute. I love his packaging. It's like pink and like girly, and I'm pink and girly, but anyways, let me swatch this on my hand. Probably won't wear this one as much just because it's purple, and I like purple, but as makeup on me, I only like it as eyeshadow. Probably not lipstick. It's just a little out there for me. It's right there. Just gonna try to see if I can get like a better close-up view of them. So this one is Jeffree Who. This one is Scandal. This one is Diva. And this one is Popsicle Dream. I touched it a little bit, so that's my own fault for that little dot right there. But yes, I do love his products, so I'm not gonna do like a, oh, I'm gonna wear it all day and review it and see how it is. But I do love his products, and I can almost guarantee you that you would like them too. Okay, so I forgot to mention that I got the mint condition highlighter, but it's good, fun, and fresh, and I don't know why, but I recorded it and I lost the footage, and he does have, I'm actually surprised I didn't get any like really strange colors. I know like the highlighter's a little weird, but I actually think I'd wear it, you know? I know it's mint, but if you put it on like a light layer, it's not gonna look as mint as like you think it would, so I'm probably gonna wear it maybe sometimes, not all the time obviously, because like that's not a normal color. And the only other color that I probably wouldn't wear is Diva's a little out there, but like I think I could work it with something. And also the Popsicle Dream, but I would probably end up wearing them eventually. And you know how his liquid lipsticks are eye safe, and I don't know if his ammos are. I think they are. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but I could always wear them on my eye if worse comes to worse. Yeah, but I actually really like these colors. I'm really happy with the scheme of it, actually. I know that's like really weird to say, but I'm just like a weirdo, and I like schemes and how it like all goes together. I was like looking for my like highlighter, and I found it, and I was like, why is it not in the box? Because I didn't put it back in there. But so I like the scheme of it. Kudos to him. His products are always really good quality. I'm not gonna lie, like, and be like, oh yeah, they're like okay quality, or like this is kind of biased because like he's like my idol. So I mean, his products are really good quality. Like, I mean, you probably can't take my word for it because I'm a little bit biased, but I don't care. His products are good quality to me. I have not tried his eyeshadows, so I don't know how they are, but they're probably just as good as everything else. And can we talk about how excited I am for him to create his setting powders and concealers? I'm just really excited for that because I will definitely be buying some. Yeah, so I know this is kind of a boring video, but you know, when do you expect less of me? I promise next I will have a story time, which is very interesting because I think you will all love it. And I also am going to be doing a conspiracy theory video. I know Shane Dawson is uploading his. I'm not trying to copy him. I'm just trying to be a conspiracy theory person because I come up with some good conspiracy theories by myself in the car when I'm driving. Why at that moment in time? I don't know, but it happens. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want more notifications. I love you all to bits. Why did I say that? I love you all to bits. Wow. Classic. But make sure you comment any ideas you have down below if you feel the need to. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I know it's not that funny. It's supposed to be serious, guys. It's supposed to be serious. But I just thought maybe you guys would want to know what I got, because I was excited, very excited. I was like, oh, I got it. And it came in 2 days. I mean, like, wow. Killing it. I was gonna get the biggest one. I think it was called the deluxe or something. I don't know, ultimate deluxe, something like that. But I could not find it, so I ended up getting the smaller one. If I could have found found how do you talk anymore? If I could have found the bigger one, I would have gotten it, but I couldn't find it, so I got the smaller one. But you know, can't complain about that. I was probably just too late for it, which is fine. But anyways, all right, so that's the end of this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.